Okay, so in this video, we are looking at interpreting a confidence interval for the difference between two population means. So something that you should for sure have on your note card for the upcoming test, and it's never too late to start preparing it, is the cases. So for interpreting a confidence interval for the difference between population means, regardless of whether this is independent or dependent case, and also for proportions, we're going to have exactly the same thing. So you must have the cases on your note card. So case number one is when you have a negative and a positive, which means that the difference between means could be negative, could be positive, it could actually be zero. So this is where you have no statistically significant difference. So you want to abbreviate on your note card so you don't put too much because you're saving space. So basically you're choosing no difference. Case two, if both numbers are positive. So if the difference between two numbers is positive, that tells you is that number one, so mean one is larger by whatever is the interval. And then for case three, it's the opposite. So for case three, when you have a minus and a minus, when the difference between two numbers is negative, that means that the second number is actually larger. So mean two is larger. So you are just applying that to all these questions. So I'm going to, in a second, you're not going to see this, but hopefully you already have this down and written down on your note card, and so you're going to just refer to that. All right, so the first case says negative, negative. Okay, so that's case three, minus, minus, which means that mean 2 is larger. So this is what we're selecting. Look at this case. This is also negative, negative. So again, this is case 3, two negatives. Again, mean 2 is larger. Now this one is positive, positive. Both answers are positive. This is case 2, meaning that mean 1 is larger, right? Because if the difference between two numbers is positive, the first number is larger. Okay, this one is negative, positive. That means that there is no significant difference. This is case one. We do not know whether the difference is larger or smaller because part of it is negative, part is positive. So that's no significant difference. Both of these numbers are positive. This is case two, which means that the first number is larger. So if the difference between two numbers is positive, the first one is larger. This is also case two. The first one is larger. This is case one. Part of the interval is negative, part is positive. You do not know which one is larger. So this is no significant difference. This one's the same thing. Case one, no difference. This one, both answers are negative, which means that the second number is larger. So mean 2 will be larger than mean 1. And let's submit that. Well, I forgot to select this as case 3.